Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohini and today I'm here with day 12 or 21 days yoga challenge. I hope that you're enjoying this journey and you have completed 11 days of yoga and you're already feeling changes in your body. And today's practice will be more focused on twist, and twist helps in detoxification of the body as well. Detoxification of body doesn't happen overnight. You have to keep practicing, keep yourself hydrated and take care of your nutrition as well. Let's start today's practice with one Om chant, hands in Namaskar, deep inhalation. I will sit in Sukhasana for a few breaths. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Slowly open your eyes. As I mentioned, that today's practice will be more focused on the twisting. So we'll be doing seated twisting pose. Place one hand here, other hand behind, and we'll be holding it for 10 breaths. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and come back. Now we'll do it on the other side. Place one hand here, other hand behind. Slowly come back. Next asana that we'll perform is Marjory Asana. What you have to do, come here, this pose, your shoulder and your hands in the same line. You have done this in these series a lot, so I'm sure that you might be aware that how the distance will be. So we'll be inhaling up, exhalation and down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and relax in child pose. Slowly we'll come back. Now we'll do twisting pose in Marjory Asana. What you have to do, take your one hand up and bring it on the other side. Place your shoulder on the ground, stretch the other hand up and hold it. Okay, it's like a needle. Place your hand here, up, take it here, shoulder down and twisting. Hold it. And we'll be holding this pose for 1 minute. I'll set the timer. So we'll take the pose up, Needle and hold. Keep breathing. Hold it. Slowly come back. Now we'll do this pose on the other side. I'll set the timer again. Needle, place your hand here, shoulder will go down, other hand up. You'll feel a lot of stretch in your upper spine and hold it. Keep going. Slowly come back and relax in child pose. And come back to sitting position. Next asana that we'll be performing is Ardha Matsyendrah. So what you have to do, both legs in front, bend one leg, bring it on the other side, bend this leg, bring it closer to the hip, lift its spine, and we'll give the twist where we have raised the leg. Knee will face the ceiling or upside. You can place your hand here like this, other hand behind, or you can place your elbow like this, pressing it against the abdomen. We'll be holding it for 1 minute. Now we'll start it again. Bend this, bring it on the other side, bend, bring it closer to the groin, knee lifted, twist, and look behind. Hold it for 1 minute. Keep breathing. Look at your left shoulder if you have raised your left knee. Keep going. Keep moving. Hold the pose. And slowly release. Now we'll do it on the other side. Now this time we'll bring the right leg on this side, bend the left knee, and we'll be twisting on the right side. Same as we have done on the other side. Either press it or hold it as per your comfort, and set the timer here as well and hold it. Keep going. Thirty more seconds. Last 15. Release. Next twisting asana that we'll be doing is Mariche Asana 3 or C. So what you have to do, both legs in front, bend one leg, lift its spine, and place one hand here, other hand behind. You can place it in your hand like this. Make sure that your toe is active. Okay. Now, we'll set the timer and twisting. Look behind. Keep going. Keep lifted. Very good. Keep going. 20 more seconds. Hold the pose. Last 15 seconds. And release. Release the hand. Then stretch the leg. Now we'll do it on the other side. Again, bend the leg. There should be distance between your thigh and your foot. Bring it close. Set the timer. Again, twisting. Look behind and hold. Keep going. Last 15. And relax. Slowly come back. Next twisting asana that we'll be doing is Anjaney twisting asana. Normally we have done Anjaney asana, and now we'll be doing the twisting variation in this. I will tell you how we do it. Okay, so what you have to do from dog pose, as we usually go, bring it forward, and this is what we normally do in Anjaney asana. Now we'll be doing twisting here. Okay, pressing the hip down and twisting. Okay, so I'll set the timer for this as well. Keep the pose here, hands on the side and hold. Keep going. Last 15. Now we'll do it on the other side and hold. Keep holding, keep pushing. Keep going. Hold it, last 10. Slowly release. Next asana that we'll be doing is Parivrit Trikona Asana, standing twisting pose it is. So you have to give distance between the feet, one ankle 90 degree, other one 30 to 40 degree, hands on the side. Now try to go on the opposite side. If you're not able to go completely down, you can go till here. Do not hyperextend your knee. Okay, I'll set the timer in this as well. And we'll start giving the pose here and hold. Keep going. Look above if possible. Keep twisting. And slowly come back. Now we'll perform the asana on the other side. Change the ankles position, hands here, twisting and hold. Keep going. Slowly come back. Next asana that we'll be doing is spinal twist while lying down. Supine spinal twist. But you have to lie down on the back, bend one leg, bring it on the other side, keep your shoulders on the ground and hold this pose. Make sure that you're not lifting your shoulders from the ground. We have done this pose earlier as well, so I'm sure that you must be aware if you are following the series. I'll set the timer for this and twist and hold. Keep breathing, keep feeling the twist. Keep the other leg active and straight and hold it. Keep moving. And slowly come back. Now we'll do it on the other side. Bend and hold. Now slowly come back. Now we'll continue with the Shavasana. Hands here on the side, arms facing ceiling. Start relaxing your body from the toes, ankles, shin, calf, knees, thighs, hip, abdomen, chest, neck, face. Now feel the relaxation in entire body and stay there for a while. I'm placing my hand here because the sunlight is very harsh, but you continue with your Shavasana. Keep doing. Feel the lightness. Now gradually you can bring your awareness back, bring your feet together, right hand above your head, bend your left knee, turn on your right side, and come back to sitting position. So namaskar. You close the class with one on chant, deep inhalation. Thank you so much for completing the challenge today. I hope that you're feeling really good right now. and I'm looking forward to day 13. But before you leave, don't forget to leave a comment that how did you find the practice. Also, share it with somebody who really needs to practice yoga at this moment. Do subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to day 13 tomorrow. See you. Bye.